to not be this way. It's easier to stay than for you to